Hello guys! Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Today we will read Pirates Odyssey, Secret Adventures of Pirates. Well, let's get started. Once upon a time, there were 3 brave pirates named Jack, Anne, and Peter. They sailed the 7 seas on their ship, the Black Pearl, in search of treasure and adventure. They were known for their courage, determination, and skill as sailors. They had been through many dangerous situations together and had always come out victorious. One day, they received a map that led to a hidden island where a treasure of unimaginable wealth was said to be buried. Without hesitation, the pirates set sail towards the island. They knew that many other pirates had tried to find this island and its treasure before, but none had returned. However, they were not afraid and were determined to succeed where others had failed. After several days of sailing, they finally reached the island. It was a beautiful and mysterious place, covered in dense jungle and guarded by treacherous cliffs. The pirates disembarked and began their search for their treasure. They knew that it wouldn't be easy and that they would have to navigate many obstacles and challenges in order to find it. As they delved deeper into the jungle, they faced many dangers. They encountered quicksand, poisonous snakes, and wild animals. At times, they felt like giving up, but they remembered why they had set out on this journey in the first place and kept going. They knew that the treasure was waiting for them and that it was worth the risk. Finally, after many days of searching, they found a cave deep in the jungle. Inside, they found a chest filled with gold and jewels, and they knew that they had found the treasure they had been looking for. They had done it. They had found the island and the treasure, and they had proved that they were the bravest and most skilled pirates on the seas. Overjoyed with their success, the pirates loaded the chest onto their ship and set sail for home. They were rich beyond their wildest dreams and had many stories to tell of their adventure. They had faced many dangers, but they had come out victorious, and they knew that they would always be remembered as the pirates who had found the treasure of the hidden island. As they sailed into port, other pirates looked on with envy. They knew that Jack, Anne, and Peter had achieved what no one else had. They had found the treasure and had returned home safely, and they were grateful that they were not the ones who had to face the same perils. The story of Jack, Anne, and Peter shows that with determination and courage, anything is possible, and the treasure is just a bonus. They had proven that it is not the treasure, but the adventure, the challenge, and the experience is what makes life worth living. The 3 of them continued to sail the 7 seas together, looking for new adventures and making a name for themselves as the greatest pirates that ever lived. After returning home with their newfound wealth, the pirates decided to retire from their life of piracy and settle down. They used their treasure to buy a large piece of land on a tropical island and built a beautiful mentioned there. They also invested some of their money in legitimate business ventures and became successful merchants. As they settled into their new lifestyle, they began to realize that they missed the excitement and adventure of their old lives as pirates. They missed the thrill of the chase and the rush of discovery. They knew that they couldn't go back to their old ways, but they still wanted to find a way to live a life filled with excitement and adventure. That's when they came up with a new idea. They would use their knowledge and experience from their days as pirates to help others find treasure and adventure. They would become treasure hunters and adventurers for hire. And so, the three former pirates began their new lives as professional treasure hunters. They traveled to exotic locations all over the world, searching for lost treasures and uncovering ancient mysteries. They had many thrilling adventures and discovered many incredible treasures, but the most important thing was that they were finally able to live a life filled with excitement and adventure again. And as they grew older, they passed on their knowledge and experience to a new generation of treasure hunters, ensuring that their legacy would live on. They became a legend in the treasure hunting world, known as the greatest treasure hunters of all time. Even in the end, when they were long retired, their names were still whispered with awe and reverence by those who knew of their amazing achievements. And even though they are gone, their spirit of adventure still inspires many. Thank you! Learn English with us easily and fun. Support us and subscribe to our channel. Give likes and write comments. Watch new videos on our channel every day. See you soon and bye-bye.